How to use Grammarly to check for AI plagiarism. So first thing you want to do is obviously install or download the app on Grammarly. Go to your search browser or your browser and then search Grammarly and download the app or install it. Then sign in or log into your account using your email or any other accounts. Now what you need to do next is either upload a file, your previous file for checking the AI plagiarism, or you can create a new document yourself. So once you do that, simply just choose that file or that document and wait for it to load. Now, as you can see here, you will see here all your files or your document that you have uploaded. Now, since we want to check for AI text plagiarism, it is very simple. However, take note that you must have the Pro version or the Pro plan of Grammarly in order to use it to check for AI text plagiarism. So, all it takes is just one click of a button, which is right here at the top corner. Simply just click this button here, and then once you do that, you can just automatically check the file or the uploaded file or document for AI plagiarism. Now, it's that simple, but make sure that you have the Pro one or the Pro plan in order to use it. So that's how you check or use AI Grammarly to check for plagiarism.